Hello, this is Keith All, and welcome back. Today is a continuation of our series on adding a Builderall WordPress theme, and today we're going to learn how to style the contact form that we connected and created in previous videos. So if you go to your dashboard, come over here because we're going to go edit the page that we created. And this is the page that has the contact form connected to it. We're going to edit it with the Elementor plugin. Give it a second to load up. Okay, we're finally here. So what we're going to do is we're going to edit this, style it basically, this contact form. And we had left it in the last way that there was two ways that you could connect this contact form. One, by copying in a shortcode from the edit screen of your contact form area, or by adding a widget from the mega add-ons, HT mega add-ons, and that's what this one in particular is. So we could edit it by clicking on this right edit button. We come over here and click on the style tab up above here. And let's play around with these adjustments so you know how to edit it and change the style of everything. So let's play with the padding and watch what happens. See what's going on. When we're adjusting the padding up here, it's adding space between the form and your fields, as you can see. The margin, if we play with that, again, it's adding the margins up on the top. And let's see if we play with the right. You can see it's adding space now between everything around the form. So the background type, let's, if we click on Classic, you can see what happens there. So I'm just gonna click out of there and let's reset it. Okay, the alignment, see what it's doing to the submit button. And then you could set the, you can adjust where that's going to go. The input now, let's play around with that. See what it's doing to it. So you can adjust that. The background color. Let's see what the background color here for the input is, the background where you would actually enter your information. So let's bring that back. Typography. You can adjust now the font. Let's go to Homa. See, it's changing the font of your input. The weight changes the boldness of it. So let's bring that back to maybe 400. Transform, uppercase. So in other words, I'm all in lowercase right now, and it's just typing everything in uppercase. So you have the ability to change that. That's the placement color. Again, it changes the placement. So when you type it in, it's doing it in the color that you want. Let's leave it black. Border type, if you select solid, and then let's see, the width, let's see what happens here. And there you go. That's the border around it. So let's just bring it back to 0. Let's change that to none. So you can change a lot of different things here. And you can see the padding. The padding occurs for the inside of the text of the input area. That's what that's doing. And the same thing with margin. It changes everything on the inside there. So you have a lot of different options to style this. Text area, I don't have a text area. Label. Label would be in case we include it on the contact form like what how we set it up originally. A label would be right above the input field. So since we don't have a label, we're not going to be able to adjust it, but you will be able to do it there. Now for the button, which is this element right here, you can adjust the size. The typography would be the text on the inside, so you can change the font of that. You can change the text color of that. The background color, it's currently set to black. If I change that, see how it changes that. Let's go back to black. The padding again. See what it does with the padding, so let's bring that back. The margin, the same thing. It's doing the margin above around the submit button. And let's see, margin, the border type. The border type is solid, so if you want to, let's do the increase. See, you have a border around it. And then you could change the color of the border and the border radius. The border radius meaning, do you want it rounded? Watch what happens. See what it's doing? It's rounding the edges of the button. So there's a lot of different things that you could do. And then the box shadow. Let's bring this down here. Watch what it does. See the box shadow happening? Vertical, the blurriness, whether you want it solid or more blur, the spread. So there's a lot of different ways that you can adjust and style this box here for you. So play around with it and then adjust it as necessary to make it suit your branding colors and everything else like that. So again, have fun with it, and on the next video I'm going to show you how to edit the background of this section where you can like add an image or solid color or anything like that. Also too, with this button you can make changes to the hover. So when you hover over it, right now I have it hovering, and so you could also change the hover color of it. Also you could change the border color and everything like that. So there's many different options that you could have with styling this contact form. Thanks again for stopping by. Remember to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell notification so you always get updated when I have a new video ready. And also please like, share, and comment. I appreciate your support. You've been wonderful to me, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Bye now.